If you've ever felt confused when looking over your AV quote, you're not alone, but don't worry, we are here to help. We have put together all the terms that you should know in one place, and soon you'll feel like an AV pro. Hey, I'm Katie with Endless Events, and when you're planning your event AV, it can quickly become overwhelming. But we are here to help. We have put together a breakdown of all the terms that you should know in one amazing resource. It covers all the terms from labor AV terms to equipment, lighting, sound, rigging, and the different types of projectors that you might come across. This all-in-one, one-stop shop resource is going to help you and empower you to understand AV when dealing with AV companies. And it's going to make your planning job much less stressful. If you want to learn more about this, you can click the link to head to our website and access this amazing resource, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe for more great tips, and I'll see you next time.